Top 5 Best Air Fryer Cookbook. Best Smarter Picks for Smarter Kitchens. Number 5. Cathy Yoder's Air Fryer Cookbook, 150 plus easy recipes. Craving crispy, golden meals without the guilt? Cathy Yoder's Air Fryer Cookbook delivers 150 plus vibrant, step-by-step recipes from beginner basics to gourmet feats, all shot with mouth-watering photos. Perfect for busy parents, health-conscious cooks, or anyone tired of soggy results, this guide transforms your air fryer from a countertop ornament into your kitchen's MVP. Unlike generic cookbooks, it's meticulously organized, with clear icons for dietary needs and effortless navigation. No more flipping through endless pages. Each recipe maximizes flavor while minimizing oil, time, and cleanup. Feel the confidence of mastering everything from juicy chicken wings to flaky salmon, all with one appliance. While it assumes basic air fryer familiarity, newcomers adapt quickly thanks to intuitive instructions. This isn't just a cookbook, it's your shortcut to delicious, stress-free dinners that impress without the hassle. Number 4. Paula Deen's Air Fryer Cookbook. Craving crispy, golden comfort food without the guilt? Paula Deen's Air Fryer Cookbook delivers Southern charm with modern convenience. Over 100 recipes that turn your air fryer into a flavor powerhouse. Perfect for home cooks who love bold taste but hate the mess of deep frying, this cookbook bridges tradition and innovation. Unlike generic guides, it's packed with Paula's signature buttery, savory twists. Think fried green tomatoes with a crunchy panko crust or juicy peach cobbler with a perfectly crisp topping. Each recipe is tested, approachable, and designed for real kitchens. You'll save time, cut calories, and still serve dishes that taste like love. While some recipes assume basic air fryer familiarity, the step-by-step instructions keep things smooth. This isn't just a cookbook, it's your ticket to guilt-free indulgence, one crispy bite at a time. Number 3. Skinnytaste Air Fryer Dinners Cookbook. Crispy, golden meals in minutes, without the guilt. That's the magic of Skinnytaste Air Fryer Dinners, your go-to cookbook for 75 vibrant, healthy recipes that turn weeknight cooking into a breeze. Perfect for busy professionals, health-conscious families, or anyone craving flavor without the fat, this gem transforms your air fryer into a powerhouse of delicious efficiency. Unlike generic cookbooks, it's crafted by nutritionist and food blogger 𝗔𝗹𝗁𝗲𝗄𝗏, blending smart swaps with bold taste. Think crispy tofu tacos, juicy salmon, and even guilt-free fries. Each recipe is streamlined for real life, minimal prep, fewer dishes, maximum satisfaction. You'll save time, calories, and clean up stress, all while eating like royalty. Sure, some recipes lean lighter on seasoning if you're used to heavy sauces, but that's the trade-off for cleaner eating. Elevate your dinners. Simplify your routine. Taste the difference. Number 2. Skinnytaste Air Fryer Cookbook, 75 healthy recipes. Crispy, golden perfection, without the guilt. That's what the Skinnytaste Air Fryer Cookbook delivers, transforming everyday ingredients into flavorful, low-calorie meals in minutes. Ideal for busy professionals, health-conscious families, or anyone craving restaurant-quality results at home. This collection of 75 expertly crafted recipes redefines air frying. Unlike generic cookbooks, Skinnytaste balances bold taste with smart nutrition. Think crispy zucchini fries, juicy salmon, and even dessert, all under 400 calories. The instructions are clear, the ingredients accessible, and the results consistently delicious. You'll save time, cut calories, and still feel completely satisfied. While it won't replace your oven for large roasts or baking intricate pastries, it excels where it counts: speed, simplicity, and smarter eating. This isn't just another cookbook, it's your shortcut to healthier habits without sacrificing flavor. Grab your air fryer. Turn the page. Taste the difference. Number 1. Ninja Foodi Air Fryer Cookbook, 600 Easy Recipes. Crispy, golden perfection without drowning your food in oil. That's the magic inside this game-changing cookbook. Packed with 600 foolproof recipes, it transforms beginners into air fryer pros and turns seasoned cooks into kitchen innovators. Whether you're whipping up weeknight dinners, healthy snacks, or decadent desserts, every recipe is tested, timed, and tailored for your countertop appliance. Unlike generic cookbooks, this one adapts to real-life kitchens. No fancy gear, just flavor, speed, and simplicity. From juicy chicken wings to flaky pastries, each dish delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal cleanup. It's not just about convenience, it's about confidence, creativity, and reclaiming your time. While it covers nearly every craving, some ultra-specialized techniques may require supplemental tools. But for everyday excellence, this book is your ultimate ally. Elevate your air fryer from gadget to go-to with recipes that inspire, satisfy, and surprise every single time. Thanks for watching Best Air Fryer Cookbook. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.